Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a flyer in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So from your home page, we're going to look to the left-hand side. We're going to click on templates. You can create a flyer from scratch, but there are so many cool and professionally designed templates on Canva. It just saves so much time and effort to use one of them. So in the search bar, I'm going to type in flyer, and Canva will show me all the different cool templates available. You can further filter options by clicking on style. So what type of flyer do you want to create? What is your business about? What is it like? Is it modern, professional, corporate, simple, minimalist? So you can click on one of these. Let's click on creative. It shows me more creative flyers. If I click on modern, you'll get shown more modern flyers. So I'm going to click on one of these. So say I'm creating a flyer for a festival. So I'm going to click on that one. I quite like that. It's quite funky. So when you've chosen your template, you're going to click on customize this template. So this is where it's all down to your creativity. So you can add in different images. Say if I didn't like that image on the back, I can upload a different one. I can use graphics that Canva has available, or I can use different photos as well. You see here on the left, it's easy to swap things in by dragging and dropping it over. You could also change up the text. So obviously for my festival, I would add in the new dates. So say it might be, maybe it's June. So Saturday the 6th of June, and then add in your festival name. There really is just so much you can do. You don't need to be a professional designer, which is the best thing about Canva. If it's too big, you can easily resize by clicking and reducing the size so the text fits in the box. You can make things bigger. You can change up colors. Say if I didn't like this orange color, I can change that by clicking on it, and then say put something like that in. So keep editing, put in all your information and get it exactly how you want. Then give your flyer a name. So I'm going to click up top. So I'm going to say out there creative flyer. Then you just need to download it by clicking on the top right hand corner, share, download, and choose the format you want to download your flyer in. Do you want JPEG, PNG, PDF? When you're happy, click on it and click on download, and you'll have a gorgeous flyer to share with people. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.